What's the most powerful explosion in the universe? It's called a gamma-ray burst, or GRB, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. A gamma-ray burst happens when a massive star collapses into a black hole. It releases a focused jet of gamma rays, the most energetic light in the universe. In just 10 seconds, a gamma-ray burst can release more energy than the sun will produce in its entire 10 billion year lifetime. If one of these bursts occurred near Earth, it could strip away our atmosphere and end life as we know it. Luckily, they're extremely rare and usually happen billions of light years away. Gamma-ray bursts are the universe's ultimate explosions, a cosmic reminder of how small we really are. Subscribe for more space facts.